What's good, everybody? This is gonna be episode number 2 to our series on the forest. In this episode, we about to go to the cave, get a chainsaw so we could get wood hella fast, and
Yes,
go to the
sir.
big ass base.
Alright, we'll catch you guys when we get there. And we're back. We found the entrance. It was actually just like 30 seconds away.
You know, it'd be like that
Oh, it's
sometimes.
dark. Bro, it's dark down here.
We need to get a flashlight or something. This lighter's not doing the job.
Grab the skulls. Oh, be careful. There's a lot of zip lines on this one, I think.
I already can't carry more schools.
Damn. We're gonna have to start making some baskets for everything. My lighter, come on. Oh wait, let's make sure we're not missing nothing.
I think we're straight. Let's go.
Alright. Yo, I should have brought more arrows. I feel like.
Oh shit, we gotta go in the water.
Alright, I think I got this. Just follow me. Great.
Alright, never mind. That wasn't even that bad.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
I hear some thingies.
There's people. Oh, there's babies.
What
Bro,
is
I'm so
this?
low.
What is this?
I'm like a one tap right now, bruh.
The baby hit you?
Yeah. I got nailed.
That's
I'm a
unfortunate.
one tap.
Should
I'm
we be
popping
saving?
meds. Yeah, let's save. I don't feel
And I'm
safe.
full on gas too.
Oh, gas. Sweet.
Shit, where are we
Alright,
going?
go.
Over
Over here. I hope we don't have to fight a boss yet. I don't think we're ready for that.
Yeah, we're like way too underprepared for that.
Even though I'm pretty sure we have to.
You won't jump.
Do we have any? I have one lizard armor I can wear.
I have no
Nice.
armor. Oh shit, what is this? Oh, some meds, bad.
Eggs, drink, stick. I think there's some flares and some dynamite here. Oh, some fun drinks over
These are
here.
empty.
Never mind, it was just flares. Nothing over here.
Not that I see. Where are we supposed to go?
Over
Oh.
here.
You sure?
Yeah, there's a hole.
Oh yeah.
Keep her
Some of us
going.
couldn't see that.
Well, some of us need to turn our brightness up.
Some of us already have their brightness maxed out.
Shit. You gotta do it through NVIDIA. Oh! Jump. Be careful. I hate going down, bro.
I don't know what I'm doing. Whoa! Oh, okay, that's not ideal. But he didn't want the hands anyway.
Oh, there's babies.
Fuck the babies, I'll eat them. I can't see. Why does my lighter all of a sudden turn off?
Okay. Shit, that. Oh, he has coins. What do you got? Run in his pocket. Can you see him?
He's a pinata.
Pretty
Oh,
sure
look,
when
it
you,
came out.
yeah, when you hit him, like, money drops. Alright, let's go. Come on,
Yo.
leave the dead man alone.
Money keeps dropping out of his pockets.
Fuck the money, let's go. You got
I'm stacked when you're poor.
What do you mean? What are you gonna buy with that?
Throw it into the fire, I don't know.
That's what leaves it for, bud. Ooh, rolly. That guy's got a rolly on him.
Oh, I see. I feel like I'm gonna slip and fall any second now. And we're gonna have to restart.
Oh, baby's over here. They're both dead. There's another one.
Whoa,
Enemy
you
guy.
guys are hiding.
Domed one.
Oh, he didn't want it. Oh, he really didn't want it.
Yes, sir. That's how we do it. Oh, climbing axe right here.
Ooh.
Yep. What I like.
Oh
right
shit, should
there.
we be burning these guys for some armor?
You know what? Sounds like a marvelous idea.
Look, you didn't kill this baby.
I thought he was dead. Oh, there's another one behind you.
There we go.
Are you ready?
I just made some armor.
Cool. Let's go. This chainsaw is gonna help a lot with getting wood.
That's what I'm saying, like, I'd be hitting the
Like,
trees 20 different times before I even get halfway through.
Yeah, we really wasted our time trying to build the base without a chainsaw last time.
Half the time the tree takes like 50,000
Oh
hits.
my
Ooh.
dude! That's why I
I
hate
wonder if the ice pick is gonna work.
Whoa!
Ice pick is just fucking raping.
Stone. Oh, dude, why am I the only one getting... Where every move I make is another jump scare. You're
I'm
going...
gonna push them off the cliff.
Oh, there's a guy on me. I can't see shit, bro. There's no lights back here.
Oh my god, the ice pick is ass for killing these things.
What'd you expect? Help! Help me!
I've been fighting this kid over here.
I'm
can't even see.
staring at you. You're just looking at me. Oh. At least hold a flashlight, something. I can't see it.
Oh, now they want to run. What is this? Look at that.
Those my armor. Oh.
Shit, there goes my armor too.
Hold on. Make sure. Look. Oh, wait. I thought we missed something there. No, because there's like a lot of little parts in these caves. I don't want to have to miss. I don't want to miss one and have to come back, you know? Oh, what's this? Chocolate bar.
Where are you finding chocolate bars? I never find
All over the floor, babe. Look, there's one over
I
here.
don't find chocolate bars at all.
Found two in the floor over here.
You must be picking them up or something.
They're just small.
Oh,
You don't
shit.
see them. You just see the logo.
I think that's what it is. Cause you know how when you skin an animal, only one person can take the meat.
Yeah.
I bet you that's what it is.
Well, look, there's a bar over here.
Let me see if I can see this one.
Area. Yeah, I didn't pick this one up. I got 3.
Yeah, I
but-
see this one.
Okay. Nothing here. Keep going up.
Did you put your ice pick in like your hotbar?
No. I'm not that lazy. I'll just equip it. It's not that important. Okay. Is that... Whoa! We took the wrong route to the chainsaw. But
Ooh, are you sure? What's up here?
that's the exit.
Well,
Looks
fuck.
like we're going back!
Should I just jump? Yeah, let's just jump.
Okay, we're gonna go back to the other side of the cave. We'll be right back.
Oh, yo, almost fell.
Alright, let's stop diddly daddling around. Not fall. I kinda like just wanna go up there to get feathers because I know there's gonna be a boss up here, but like,
I mean, let's just hit the boss. Like,
and then when we die and we're at the airplane, we should have gotten some feathers.
I mean, we saved at the start of the cave.
Oh, great. That really motivates me to be okay with this right now. Let me tell you what.
I'm glad you feel that way.
I really don't, but it is what it is. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we gotta blow this here. I'm
Oh
gonna blow
shit,
it,
did we
stand
find
back.
dynamite? Oh, we did.
Yeah. That's where we got the map at, remember? I think the bad guys are over here. Oh, babies!
Oh. No, no, no. Chop him up. Ow! Whoa, why the babies do half health damage?
Yeah, they destroy you. Can't get hit by
Whoa!
those guys.
Nah.
There's one alive, I don't know where he's at.
You're
Oh,
not
there he
touching-
is!
Whoa! He's a feisty one.
It's dark. Oh, there's people down there.
Where?
Down there.
Oh, look, look. There's more dynamite. No.
Bruh, there's people right now!
Whoa! This guy just came at me like.
There's one behind you, behind you! This one's dead.
I already. Oh
Heroes
my
making the
God.
dream work. Okay.
Oh, what is this? It's more tents. Oh, look, here's a bunch of cloth. Oh, look, old gun ammo.
Oh, for real?
Here's some ammo in here,
Oh,
yeah.
nice. Siblings still missing.
Wait, look, there's more crates.
Oh,
up
there's
there.
a dude right here.
Oh shit, there's two. You take that
He's
one.
dead, he's dead, he's dead. You got that guy?
Yeah.
He dead.
Are we going the right direction still?
I don't know. I just know it's somewhere in this area. Oh, is this it? No, that's ahead.
Nah.
Alright, let's... Okay, that was done. Where could it be at? Maybe over here.
Oh, there's some more boxes. Oh, these are empty.
Nothing. Oh, there it is. Found it! Yay!
Whoa. Wait, isn't there supposed to be a katana in here too?
Nah, the katana's in a different one.
You sure?
Positive.
Alright, let's check out this chainsaw.
Alright, cool.
Whoa. Wait, I can't see anything though.
Let's keep moving. Let's get out of here.
Ooh.
Come on, get your flashlight out so you can see. Or your
It's
little...
actually a lighter, not a flashlight.
Yeah, you get what I mean. Let's go. Get out of this dark ass cave. Watch, it's gonna be nighttime too now.
Oh shit, my guy is like big hungry over here.
Oh, for real. Should we
I'm
cook something
talking,
up?
the tank is on empty. Let's go. Oh look, we got two different paths.
Yeah, we're not going there. We're going the path that takes us out of here. Because we are not equipped to be fighting nothing right now. We got the chainsaw, now we just gotta slide up out of here. Watch it over here.
Oh look, I picked up a. Oh look, here's part of a toy. Look, get the toy part
Where?
right here. Come back.
See, those are the parts I was talking about. Always missing those. Oh, nice. Put some meds up here. Leave the dead bodies alone, man. Stop! You just hit me.
Did I just clock you?
Let's go, Jesus, before you kill
That's
someone else.
Whoa, what was that?
That was
Was
a
that
bat.
a bat or a baby?
That was a bat. Oh, we're out, and it is nighttime.
Where are we though? Oh look, you're
I
doing the
actually
thing.
don't know.
Oh,
Whoa!
what?
We're on the other side of the map.
Are you serious? Look at our house. Look, our house like
It's
symbol
to the
is
left of the
not.
sinkhole.
Whoa! Time
That
to
is a
get
long
hiking.
trip. Let's go to bed. We're back home.
Start up the fire. I'm cold.
Take a rest. We'll wake up in the morning and worry about the fire.
Catch some Z's.
Oh my god, just like got smacked by the cold. Nice.
Oh look, all of a sudden I'm not cold no more.
Let's save the world. I'm gonna save it in 2 different slots just in case I do something stupid. Not to mess it up. Alright, cool. Alright, let's get some food cooked up. You know what we need?
Hmm.
We need to get some turtle shells.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. We need water.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna try combining random shit and see what happens.
It's not gonna work.
Oh, it just worked.
Hey, look.
Look, I made something.
Trees coming down at high, incredible speeds, like you've never seen before.
Oh, I figured out how to craft something.
Nice. Congratulations.
Nah, but look, I upgraded the axe.
That's great.
Damn, I can't even fucking see it.
Why would you do that?
Because the axe is the only weapon I got.
Should have saved it, dummy.
Can I upgrade the bow? Nah.
Make a log sled for yourself. We're gonna need it now. You got the sticks? Nice, and it's crafted.
Or you can fill this up with rocks too.
Yeah. Can fit a bunch of rocks.
Why would you need rocks?
Because you can make rock walls that are better than the wooden ones.
Why haven't we been making those?
Because we... What do you mean? We just started.
Well, why don't we make those?
That's the plan. Once we started making the base, we had to get the chainsaw first.
Bro, you're completely missing out on all these briefcases.
It's okay, because I'm getting all these feathers. Oh, dang. Alright, well, guys, I think that's it for today's episode. If you stayed to the end, thank you very much. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will catch you guys on the next one. See ya!
Whoa!